So guys, we have 500 kilometers. We're gonna put a real tire for real man, huh? The extreme grip. Whoop, 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 whoop.
You're a real monster.
Yeah, and yeah, man,
Look at this beast.
it will fit.
Wow.
But as you can see, guys, the mud guard creation, perfect. Look how clean inside now. Up, nothing here. And only off-road, mud, dirt, puddles, everything, huh? And there, the extreme. Too fresh, guys, too fresh. It needs some mud, huh? It needs some patina.
But if this tire works, then I want one as well.
Yeah, man, look at the tire.
Look at this,
guys, huh?
Extreme.
If you want to off-road, it's the 80, 100, 12-inch. Perfect. And it's a rear tire, see? Rear, with a soft compound. So hopefully it will be balanced in the middle and not at the sides. We will see, eh?
I'm really curious about it.
But everything looks really clean still. Yeah. Look at the CNC. It's so nice built. Yeah, I like it. Okay. Everything is sealed up. So we're gonna remove this and this. And then we will just take the motor out like this and we will replace it. Yeah, if you see this tire now, what the fuck, it's for on-road.
I mean, if you compare it with this
Yeah.
one, look at this one. You know?
Look at,
This is a beast.
yeah.
Patat. I'm
Go on.
gonna do it real quick, like a machine.
Man, wat een baantje. Oh. Oh. Goeie test, oké, blijf daar. Extreme met de baby tire. Allee Jorik, hier op dezelfde richel hè. Easy. Kijk, op. Jorik, naar boven nu. Extreme en X-grip. Ja, speed it. Oh. Nice. Ja, naar boven. De jump kit uitpakken. Wow, nice. Hop. Mooi. Yep. And you like the X-grip?
The best palm that we can have.
Yeah.
Do you think we have is it strong enough for taking the stairs?
Yeah, we can see. I will film it. Okay.
Yeah, but
Here, acceleration. Wait. Yes, go. Wait, I film. Let's see.
Whoa.
Nice. Up. And now we take a break.
Maar van de bak zal het niet goed zijn.
Jawel, omdat ze een rechte houding hebben. En daar, antiek.